Do you struggle trying to reach it? Make life simpler with the Easy Step folding stool from Creative Products. This super strong go anywhere step folds flat in seconds for easy storage and space saving. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry too. Easy Step allows you to work in safety and comfort anywhere. When finished, simply lift with 2 fingers and it folds flat automatically, perfect for any job around the home. Easily change light bulbs. Cleaning windows and fascias is a breeze. No need to drag awkward ladders. Easy Step is lightweight and convenient. The corners are reinforced for extra strength and the top has a non-slip surface, making it safer and stronger. It's so easy to use, even children will find Easy Step a handy help and safe to use. Easy Step is the go-to step for easy access and quick storage. Perfect for caravanning and boats too. You'll wonder how you ever did without it. With Easy Step, everything is within reach. Take yours to the checkout now.